Look. Look at Thomas.
This Thomas is in real life.
Yeah, it's Thomas in real life.
Wave to him then too.
Wave?
You?
If you wave?
What do you want to say to him?
Should we go on, Thomas?